हेलो बच्चों, उम्मीद है सब अच्छे होंगे, मजे कर रहे होंगे, मस्ती कर रहे होंगे, राइट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम तुम्हें शुक्रगुजार करना चाहते हैं। आई वॉन्ट टू थैंक यू ऑल द पीपल फॉर द लव एंड सपोर्ट। वाई सो? बिकॉज कल से लेकर आज तक, स्टार्टिंग विद द टेलीग्राम, एंडिंग विद द व्हाट्सएप एज वेल एज द जीमेल, तुम सब मैसेज का भरपूर कर चुके हो। दैट मीन्स द पीपल यू विच यू हैव sent a lots of messages in the code of token of love, I can say that. And the messages which you have sent, it's unbelievable. Sir, where to appear exam, whether we should appear exam in the school, whether we should appear exam in the home. If we will appear in the school, this all will continue. If we will appear in the home, this all will continue. So that's the reason I thought that let's make a video for you all people. In this particular video, all the queries, doubts, issues, everything I will be clearing up, right? And also I will be saying the which one is the best place to appear exam, whether in school or whether in home. अगर स्कूल होगा तो क्यों, अगर घर होगा तो क्यों. And also, as you know very well, on the 5th of October, CISE has released a circular, not for you all people, not for me also, it is for the principal. And also it is relevant also to put the link in the description box. And I think on the 5th midnight, some of the boy, perhaps I don't want to reveal the name, he even shared the circular in that telegram chat group, right? And if you have not joined, do join. The link has been given in the description box. Now let's start the topic from the 5th of October. In the circular, the CISE, even they have stated to the principal that you have to give the name of the best IT teacher from your school. Even you have to give all the data, registered mobile number, many more. So which is, I don't think that you should know, you should get to know about this. As well as they have given that they wanted that the willing of the parents, what should be the willing of the parents, whether the parents want their child, their ward to appear the exam from the home or in the school. And also the CISE has stated that the particular aspirant, a boy or a girl, he should have his mobile phone, laptop, desktop and many more, and in which the camera, the web camera should be there, as well as the microphone will be there. And you know very well about this. So let us start the topic about this, that the more special queries which you are having, sir, where to appear exam. If you are asking me, my personal view, being a teacher, I am saying that you should appear your examination in the school campus. Why? Most of the students queries is why. Sir, क्यों हमें अपना एग्जाम स्कूल में देना चाहिए, क्यों घर में नहीं? Because what facilities you will be getting from the school? That internet, IT teacher. In the school, one IT teacher will be there who will be taking care of all the issues. If you are having any kind of hurdles, if you cannot, and also one thing I have forgotten, even within 15 days you will be getting your unique code as well as index number, unique ID as well as index number. In every year people used to get, your brother and sister they used to get, in this year also you will be getting, and they will be releasing before just in between 15 days, as much as I am sure, right? So as I was saying that you should appear the exam in the school, because children, one IT teacher will be there back of you to support you. If you are facing any kind of issues, if you are facing any kind of hurdles, the IT teacher will be helping you out right there. And also maximum students, they want that they should appear the examination in home, because they will be getting some facilities, some advantages, like to appear the exam in unfair means. Unfair meaning का तुम्हें अच्छे से पता, unfair का मतलब क्या होता, right? You will be appearing the exam from the home in unfair ways. No, but I would like to say that this won't help you out. This won't help you out, because 1 hour पेपर एक्सक्लूडिंग मैथमेटिक्स 90 मिनट्स का पेपर, 1 घंटा का कितना सवाल होता है बच्चों? 40 सवाल, 40-35 सवाल, समथिंग लाइक 2 मार्कर भी आता है उसमें. देन आफ्टर व्हाट यू गोना डू? देन आफ्टर यू विल बी सर्चिंग समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो इट वोंट हेल्प यू. सो I would like to suggest to children, please appear the exam from the school, because school also will help you out a lot. Do not think that school will never help, school won't help us. Remember always, teacher, being a teacher, I am saying, I am also working on the Recon school. Being a teacher, I am saying, सब टीचर सभी बच्चों का भला चाहते हैं. Every teacher want his or her student should secure a lots of mark. If you are thinking that, sir, if you will be appearing exam from the home, we will be getting beneficial and all, with no doubt you will be getting beneficial. You may or may not get beneficial, but your school will also help you out. So these are the things. So as well as also I want to say that internet should play a vital role in this. Internet, because before 3 to 4 days you might have observed that Facebook, Instagram, as well as what more, WhatsApp, these three things are not these three things was not working right for the 7 to 8 hours. So they are the great software. They are one of the means a large software, I can say, but they also stopped. So everyone you can trust, but you cannot trust to the one that is all about internet. Even you have marked that during online classes, many fumble we used to get, many hurdles we used to get. Personally, I also feel that. So moral of the story, I wanted to say, appear the exam from the school, prepare hard, be always have the, first of all, be loyal to yourself. Be loyal to yourself. अगर तुम सोचो, अगर एग्जाम स्कूल में होता तो, if the exam, definitely every year before also, before a month, before 2 months also, your mind have said that we will be appearing in the exam in the school. Now something fumbles, you are getting away. So do not worry about that. Appear the exam from the school and your exam will be one of the best exam. Do not worry about that. The question paper will be easy. Only the thing I want to say, work hard. Work hard, start revision. If you have not completed the syllabus, complete it before 15th of October or before 10th of October. Start revision, because only a month is there in your hand. I can say that. Only a month or 40 days are there in your hand. So without making a delay, please start your revision, go through it, and if you want to get a lots of PDF benefits, do join the Telegram. And this all I want to say, school is the safe place, school is the second home. Do not forget the school. School, appear the exam from the school, and there you will be getting everything, and the question paper will be very easy, and I know you people will rock. People will rock the examination. And thank you. Cheers. Coming stronger in the next session.